Can we actually measure meaning with science? This framework says absolutely. Let's see how. So, the core idea is pretty wild, meaning meaning isn't subjective. It's coherence that builds up over time. It's measurable. So, how does it work? It's a simple cascade. Integrity leads to resilience, which then builds meaning. Let's start with integrity. Integrity is basically a snapshot. It's the system's internal coherence at one specific moment in time. Are things aligned? To measure it, we use a score called CCI. It's basically a simple ratio of signal versus noise in the system. So if integrity is static, resilience is dynamic. It's the system's ability to maintain that integrity against shocks. This is all governed by the universal resilience law. It's a formula for how systems use resources to persist. And check this out. The core finding is that information consistently matters more for survival than energy does, by a lot. See, information tells you what to do. Energy just gives you the power to do it. This is information dominance. So you take that coherence and integrate it over time, and that is what this framework calls meaning. And yeah, there's an actual equation for this. It's not just a vague idea. Let's break down the parts. Basically, a system has to be highly coherent. That CCI score needs to pass a threshold for meaning to accumulate at all. Okay, but what happens when new data doesn't fit? A good framework has to be able to adapt. It has to learn. For instance, a unique care-aligned AI challenged the universal law, so the framework evolved to be more precise. This self-correction is a huge strength. It turns anomalies into a much deeper understanding of the system. So how reliable is all this? Well, the core laws have been validated with less than 3% variation across 8 domains. And this is why it matters. You can literally audit AI models, quantify an organization's health, or even map neural processes. Which brings us to a final, pretty mind-blowing question. Could we use this to map the coherence of the entire universe?